Hello and welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Capella University. To learn doing so, watch the video till the end. If you aren't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more upcoming updates from us. To log in to Capella University, go to your web browser. Type Capella University login. From the search result displayed, click on the first result option. This will take you to the login page. Enter your username first. Next, enter the valid password for your account and simply click on the login button. If you have your username and password correct, you'll be logged in without any problem. In case you don't remember your username, click on Forgot Username. Similarly, in case you forgot your password, you can reset the password clicking on Reset Your Password link. I hope the video was helpful to you. If you think so too, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions. I'll soon be back with more tutorial video. Thank you for watching.